Hi, I'm Tim McDermott from OSU Extension. Did you know pumpkins can be more than just decorations? We're in the kitchen talking fall cooking on Extension Today.
Extension Today is sponsored by the Ohio State University College of Food, Agricultural, and Environmental Sciences.
We're in the kitchen today with my colleague Jenny Lobb. Jenny, what are we going to be doing with the pumpkins today?
Well, we're gonna make a pumpkin fruit dip. So I'm gonna just cut this pumpkin in half, scoop out the seeds here. Once we've cleaned it up as well as we can, we're gonna put this pumpkin in the oven at 400 degrees and let it roast for 35 to 45 minutes. After letting this pumpkin cool for about 10 minutes, we will scoop out the flesh and put it into a food processor. Now that we have our pumpkin puree, we're gonna make our pumpkin fruit dip. Start by scooping out 2 cups of the pureed pumpkin, and we're gonna add a cup of yogurt, a pinch of nutmeg, and some cinnamon. And we'll give it a good stir, and you have an easy, tasty fruit dip. You wanna give that a taste, Tim?
I would love to. I like it. It's got like a pie filling taste to it. Really good, like apple pie or pumpkin pie. For more tips and tricks on using your pumpkins, go to go.osu.edu/Extension Today.
Extension Today is sponsored by the Ohio State University College of Food, Agricultural, and Environmental Sciences.